Today I am reviewing the SimpliSafe 8-piece wireless home security system. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I spent the last 3 weeks living with the SimpliSafe 8-piece security system, and I have come to a very specific conclusion about who this is actually for and who is going to be frustrated by it. If you are looking for a high-end, custom-wired security setup, this is not it. But if you are a renter or a homeowner who wants peace of mind without drilling holes in your walls or signing a 3-year contract, this kit hits that sweet spot of convenience and capability. Setting this up was legitimately fast. I had the base station powered on, and the sensors synced in about 45 minutes. You really don't need tools for the installation. Everything uses adhesive strips, which is a massive win for anyone in an apartment who doesn't want to lose their security deposit. The base station itself has a clean, minimalist design that doesn't look like a piece of industrial equipment sitting on your shelf. You can check the links below the video if you want to see the current pricing or check the latest bundles, but for the base price, the hardware feels surprisingly solid for something that is essentially plastic. Let's talk about the sensors, because that is where most people get tripped up. The entry sensors are reliable, but you have to be precise with the alignment. If your door frames are uneven, you might find yourself adjusting the sensor a few times before the system stops throwing errors. Once they are set, they are rock solid. I particularly liked the secret alert feature. I set one up on my home office cabinet, and it sends a notification to my phone without triggering the full siren. It is a nice, subtle touch that adds a layer of utility beyond just basic intrusion detection. The motion sensors are decent, but they aren't perfect. They claim to ignore pets under 60 pounds, and in my testing with a medium-sized dog, that holds true. I didn't get any false alarms. However, keep in mind that the placement is everything. If you point these directly at a heat source or a window where the sun hits hard, you might get a false trigger. You have to spend some time walking around your house to test the field of view, which is about 90 degrees. Don't just slap them in a corner and walk away, test them first. The keypad is probably my favorite piece of hardware in the kit. It is backlit, which is great for late-night entries, and it feels responsive. It is a smash-safe design, meaning the alarm will still go off even if someone tries to destroy the keypad after an entry. That is a critical detail because it addresses a common fear people have with wireless systems. Now, let's get into the reality of the monitoring. You can use the system without a subscription, but if you do that, you are essentially just buying a loud siren. You won't get the cellular backup, you won't get the dispatch services, and you are losing the main reason to buy a professional-grade system like this. The subscription model is optional, but it is effectively required if you want the actual security benefits. It is less than $1 a day, which is competitive, but it is an ongoing cost you need to factor into your budget. If you are the type of person who hates monthly fees, you're going to find this annoying. The integration with Alexa and Google Assistant is fine, but it is fairly basic. You can arm the system with your voice, which is convenient when you are walking out the door with your hands full, but don't expect deep, complex automation. It is a security system first, not a smart home hub. Where this system disappointed me slightly was in the app interface. It is functional, but it feels a bit dated compared to some of the newer, flashier smart home apps on the market. It gets the job done, but it is not the most intuitive experience I have ever had. Also, if your Wi-Fi goes down, the system relies on that cellular backup, which only works if you are paying for the monitoring plan. If you go the DIY route without a plan, you are basically flying blind the moment your internet cuts out. If you are looking for a system that you can install in an afternoon and manage from your phone without needing to be an electrician, this is a top-tier choice. It is straightforward, it is effective, and it does exactly what it says on the box. However, if you are looking for advanced features like high-end video analytics or deep integration with other smart home brands, you might find this a bit too simplistic. It is a security system for the average person who wants to be safe without the headache of a professional installation crew. If you want to dive deeper into the specs or see if it fits your specific home layout, feel free to use the links below this video. Ultimately, the value here is in the simplicity. You're paying for the ease of use and the fact that you can pick this up and move it to a new house or apartment whenever you want. That flexibility is worth a lot. Just make sure you are comfortable with the idea of a monthly subscription, because that is where the real value of the system is unlocked. It is honest, it is practical, and for most people, it is more than enough to get the job done.